Hey everyone, and welcome to another guide on the Sketch OK channel. In today's tutorial, we'll go over how to draw an elephant in full height front view. This guide consists of 14 steps, and as you can see on the screen, this is what we'll be creating by the end. But before we get started, as always, I want to recommend checking out the unique coloring pages available in my store. Just follow the link in the description. These pages are all hand-drawn and offer a variety of fun and creative animal scenes, perfect for getting into a creative mood and bringing different animals and characters to life. All the coloring pages are made in vector format, meaning you can scale them to any size when printing without losing line quality. The lines will always stay crisp and sharp, just as they should be. I also want to say a huge thank you to everyone who watches the videos until the end, leaves likes, comments, and subscribes. This really helps the channel grow and allows more people to discover the content through recommendations. Your support means a lot, and it keeps me motivated to create more videos on a regular basis. Now, let's get to drawing. The first two steps will focus on creating a basic sketch, using simple lines to establish the elephant's proportions. Think of this as the foundation for the entire drawing. From there, step by step, we'll start adding details until the drawing is fully complete. And here we are at the final steps. At this stage, you can outline your final sketch with a pen or ink, and once the ink has dried, erase all the pencil lines to get a clean and polished result. If you prefer to keep it as a pencil sketch, just carefully erase the initial construction lines from the first two steps so they don't interfere with your final artwork. If you'd like, you can also add color to your drawing. You can use the simple example I've put together at the end. It's a quick reference, but it'll help guide you in terms of highlights and shadows. A big thank you if you've made it this far in the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, suggest ideas for future videos, hit the like button, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel's growth, and I always appreciate seeing people watch the videos all the way through. So keep drawing, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next videos. Take care and happy sketching.